What is up, gang? What is up, Sky? What is up, my fellas? And welcome back to another video. Today I will be giving you 5 different hairstyles you can do with box braids for school, because I know some people don't like doing their hair, you know, it's a hassle in the morning getting up and stuff like that. So here are a few hairstyles that you can do. So let's get straight into the video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because I really appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe down below because the Thriller Gang is the littest gang out of all gangs. I hope you guys are all having an amazing school year or first few weeks, whatever. Make sure you smash that bell so you can get notified every single time I post a video. And leave a comment down below any more videos you would like for me to do. And remember, when you walk into the room, you put the chair outside. Bye.